Alright guys, welcome back. I got my two deep cycle batteries here out of the pop-up camper. Going to be checking them and do a little maintenance here just to store them for the winter. So let's start off with things you're going to need: a rag, rubber gloves, multimeter, flat screwdriver, and some distilled water. So first thing is checking the charge on the battery here. Make sure that they're fully charged. So I have on this one 12.5. Not sure if you guys can see that. And on this one I have 12.5 as well. So they're both the same, a little bit down, but we'll get those on the charger after. So just do a quick wipe down here of all the top and the posts. So when we take these caps off, no dirt goes in. Get a good contact on those posts, keep them nice and clean. There we go. Now we're going to take the flat screwdriver here. You want to also be doing this in a safe place. Make sure you got your safety glasses on. And just slowly just pry this up here. I usually do this on the top of my dryer here. It's metal and it's high off the ground, so it's kind of like a workbench. If anything happens, it'll just go on the dryer. So wipe all this off here. So you can see the fluid in there. It's about 3/8, I would say actually a ½ inch lower than the bottom of this cylindrical tube here, or whatever you want to call it, this opening. So you want to fill that up to the bottom of that, and make sure each one is the same. So I went and got a headlamp here to shine down so I can really see what I'm doing. This one's down actually more than ½ inch, so get these all topped up and ready to go. So a little cleaning. Put the cover back on here. And we'll do this one, and then we'll check this one, and then I'll bring you guys back. Alright guys, I got the fluid all topped up in the batteries here. This one wasn't too bad, but this other battery here was down probably about 3/4 of an inch. So it was missing lots of fluid. I'm probably going to have to do like a midsummer maintenance check on these things, because they're in the camper for about 4 or 5 months straight. So this one lost a lot of fluid. It didn't go completely dry, but like I said, I probably have to do a midsummer check so the fluid doesn't get as low as it is now. So now the last thing we're going to do is throw these guys on the charger and top them up and then store them away. Alright guys, I got the charger here. It's got a deep cycle and AGM setting here, and it also has a regular setting. And then on this side it has a 2 amp trickle charge or a 10 amp charge rate. I think I'm just going to put it on the trickle charge. I'm not in any rush, so you want the charger away from the battery. You want to make sure that your posts are clean, which we already did. Then we're going to put these on here. First, make sure your negative is where it needs to be and your positive is where it needs to be. Then we're going to plug it in. There we go. And the green light will come on the charger here when it's done. So that's it. After this, it's they're ready to go for storage. Alright guys, I got the 2 batteries charged up here. They're ready to go for storage for the winter. I'm just going to put them in a cool, dry place, maybe in the basement or something like that. And then I'll bring them up and check them once a month and see if they need a charge up. So I'm going to end the video there. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.